So, I had a nice fall day. Figured I'd get out and do some flying. So we have this old railroad track that used to be in this area, right here where this walkway is. And this walkway goes through the towns, you know, and one area of it has an old trestle that's been replaced. This is the new one. So I decided I'd fly here. Tight quarters, really tough flying, you know, so I played around for a couple minutes. And, you know, I was playing around underneath the bridge and stuff. Well, I got to the other side of the bridge, and I almost had a bird hit me. And at first I thought I hit a branch, because it just happened so quick. I thought I just like nicked it, just barely. But as I looked back on the video, and I slowed it down in this part, you'll see the bird and how close it comes to the drone. After that, I decided I'd get out of here. A quick rocket overhead type shot, and I'm out of here. Time to head to Bamber Lake. What an amazing day out on the lake. Not a cloud in the sky, no wind, and the lake top is just a sheet of glass. It's amazing looking at the reflections of the trees and the colors in the lake. At one point, I did start looking in the lake for fish, and I got carried away with how long I was looking down there, but it was just so crystal clear. And then we started filming on the creek, over the spillway, underneath the bridge, the little footbridge that's there, and just made a good time of it, you know? I think we got some good shots, and I will definitely be revisiting this lake again.